Alright guys, starting off with this recipe, you're going to want to boil some water and then add your favorite seasoning to the pot. I'm using an Italian spice blend, which is just like cilantro, chili powder, salt. You can use any seasoning you desire. And then you want to place your seasoning into the pot so you have a nice like flavored water when it's boiling. So believe it or not, these pierogies are actually vegan, accidentally vegan. I checked the ingredients, and the ones that are vegan are the spinach, potato, and onion. I know some of them come with cheese. Obviously those aren't, but you can do this anyway. If you guys aren't vegan, you can try it the other way as well. Instead of me frying them and baking them, I'm actually putting them in the water so they turn into a dumpling style. Once when they are semi-cooked, you want to add your favorite sauce to the mix. My favorite sauce is Hawaiian barbecue sauce. This is actually vegan, accidentally vegan as well. There's no honey, no animal products. So I am adding about, I want to say 2 tablespoons of it. You do want to add more water if it's getting dried out. And then you also want to add a cover to your pan and let this sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes while you work on the next part, like the side dishes. The next thing to do is to add some cauliflower to a pan, and also make sure your oven is preheating. Basically, when you start this whole cooking thing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So my oven has been preheating. I'm actually just chopping up the cauliflower with my hands because were a little bit too big for the oven, and I'm adding some kale. Now this is like honestly the best recipe ever. I'm also taking the chunks out, like the little stems from the kale. You want to do that as well. Take a look around. But I learned this recipe from work. Not really a recipe, but this trick from work. I never was a fan of kale until I tried it this way. Add your favorite oil, whatever kind of oil it is. I like avocado oil. Add some seasonings. I'm using that Italian blend as well. And add some salt and pepper. Basically, what you're going to want to do, when you have everything in here, I'm also adding paprika, I forgot to tell you that. Once when you have everything, just mush it around, and then after you mix everything around, you can add it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Check on it every now and then. Everyone's ovens are different, but you want to see a nice golden brown, which you will see in just a minute. So this is the outcome of them coming out of the oven for a good 15 minutes. Literally, the kale turned into chips, nice crispy chips, and the cauliflower is cooked very well. And of course, the pierogies are all done. They have that dumpling style texture, so they are soft. And that's basically it, you guys. That is the whole entire meal. I like to bring this recipe to work with me for lunch, so I like to make enough for dinner and lunch. Serving size is 4 dumplings per person. I like to try my best to do the serving sizes because obviously I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to incorporate more greens in my diets because I do have a really bad sweet tooth. But anyways, you guys, if you enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up down below. And also, if you try out this recipe, please tag me in your pics or your Insta stories. I love seeing how you guys tried it out, or if you liked it, things like that. And also, another thing, let me know if I should still continue these savory Saturdays and sweet Saturdays. I want to get some feedback from you guys, so let me know in the comment section below.